Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so first of all let's switch to the video one. So tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Right here we've got the options connected with the resolution. If you want to, you can change them right here. So simply tap on this 1080p. We will set the 4K option. After tapping on it again, we can set 720p and probably again 1080p. If you're not really comfortable with changing the resolution right here, simply unroll the top bar. So swipe your finger from the top to the center like that, and here we've got the resolution option. After tapping on it, you can see kind of a confirmation that we've got three options, so 720, 1080 and 4K. So just tap on the option. Since it is highlighted here, it means that it has been applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.